Kboi malah kan khang đấy na. Lát rồi cứ làm hoa bạn thôi.
স্যার দেখছি কয়েকদিন আগে এই অফিসটা বন্ধ করে দেওয়া হয়েছে মহকুমা শাসকের তরফ থেকে, লক করে দেওয়া হয়েছে, কিন্তু আজকে আবার খোলা হয়েছে কেন বা কি বলবেন আপনি? কে মহকুমা শাসক?
আমি শুধু এতটুকু বলবো, the center was closed on 5th May 2022 and from our administration, from our subdivisional magistrate, the inquiry was done, and today since the inquiry has been completed, the Songrongma center has been opened today on this day, and the keys have been officially handed over to the people, to Songrongma people who will take over the center here and who will carry over the activities. Thank you.
এখন কি কোনো প্রবলেম আছে বা কি মনে করছেন?
না, এখন তো আমাদের কোনো প্রবলেম নেই, যা সার্টিফিকেট ছিল তা দিয়ে দিয়েছি। আর হোপফুলি in case of any issues or inquiry, we will carry over the inquiry and accordingly we will take action. But so far we can proceed with what we have done.
Thank you, sir. I convey my heartiest welcome to the representative of SDM office. Got very glad and thanks to the staff of the SDM as well as we are highly enthusiastic that on 5/5/2022 our office has been closed in one of the some application for better inquiry. And after properly inquired, after the completion of the inquiry, the SDM looked that there is no problem, there is no response, there is no reasonable, completely meaningless, needless, for which the SDM as well as we have visited the law secretary as well as the DM and as well as the SDM. Thereafter, the law secretary has directed to open our office as because there is no guilty, there is no offense, there is no any sort of discrimination for which today the SDM staff has been presented to us and they have opened our doors. So we are highly thanks to the SDM staff also as well as the Tripura government as well as the law secretary as well as the district minister. So thank you to all of the people, all of the our viewers, our followers, so on behalf of our social organization, Group Songrongma as well as the Group Dipto and others are the brotherhood organization like Group Joto and Group Dipto, we are highly pleased and we are highly thanks to the SDM staff. Thank you.